Is this thing even on?
I just have to Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Within. I was just thinking in the morning, like, what a struggle it is to do my hair. And then I was thinking about like all the tools that are out there that claim will make my life easier. A part of me just always questioned whether it actually worked or not. So I've actually gathered 5 hairstyling tools that we're going to pit against each other today to actually test whether they do the things that they claim to or not. So you can see which one actually works and which one is worth your pretty pennies. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, so we're gonna start off with curly hair. So what we have is the beach waver, the one that kind of automatically spins. And then we have the Amika heated curling bristle brush. It's pretty interesting, I've never seen anything like it. So let's pop these babies open. It just looks like a normal curling iron. Oh, it's got like a really dwarf looking clip. Oh, I guess it just gets the end of it. There's also a fast and a slow button. I can see my hair getting stuck in this little area here. The buttons are at the bottom. So you turn it on and it's 350. Heats up pretty quick, it's already at 200. And then over here, let's open this. So it just looks like a blow dry brush and it's got 2 heat settings. Let's just put it on high heat because I ain't about waiting. Okay, I don't even blow dry my hair, so this is going to be quite a task.
So Felicia asked me to try some hair tools. Here I am. I don't know how to use this, but I'm just gonna go with it. Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Maybe like wrap it up like this.
And I just kept turning it. What did I do? Yes, I just kept turning it like this.
It kind of acts as a curling wand, but also a brush. It's like a fusion.
Maybe if I just brush it, is that how it goes? If I just brush my hair?
This also doesn't have like temperature display, so I don't know how hot it actually is. I could be burning the crap out of my hair right now.
Oh, R.I.P.
Okay, so how do I like take this off? I see them do this like wrapping thing. Oh!
Oh, okay, wait.
There is some definition there.
I see some curlage happening, okay.
Ah! Ah! Now I'm starting to sweat. You know when you do your hair and you start profusely sweating? Okay, this can so get easily just like tangled in your hair, I feel. My arm's tight. It's just taking so long.
Is this thing even on?
I just have to, ah! Okay, if I just like cup it in my hand while it cools off, maybe the curl will be a little more like prominent. Yes, yes.
Ta-da! A big lump of nut. Yeah!
There you have it. This is the Amika Blowout Babe Thermal Brush.
Guys, this is too hard. This is definitely a no for me. I'm too dumb for it, I'm sorry.
Bing! So let's go on to the beach waver.
It's great for lazy people. All you have to do, simple, just grab a strand of hair, clip it here at the end, and then you just like turn it.
Let's change it to fast. Ooh, so fast.
The scary thing is, what if you like get your hair caught and you're like, ah, and then it burns off.
I'm really scared of these automated things. So I guess I put it at the end and then, whoop, other way. Ah!
You know those like scary Facebook videos? Oh my God, that's like my worst nightmare.
If you're not used to this, you will just burn your face up.
You could even wind it back out. Wind it back out.
Ah, is it going up or down? Okay, down. So then you just unwrap and then voila.
Ta-da! Curly hair.
Ooh, the smell of burning hair. Okay, so this clearly makes a very curly curl in a matter of seconds. Okay, so here's the verdict. They give two completely different looks. If you guys aren't used to actually wrapping your hair around a barrel, the fact that it kind of twirls it for you in a really creepy way, it does the job for you, so you kind of don't run the risk of burning your fingers, and it works relatively quickly. And I guess it's just more versatile what you're able to do with it, because you can do like beach waves, or you can do Hollywood glam. This one, it gives you a much softer look. It's just kind of more natural, more wearable, like every day. Gives you that if you were to blow dry your hair with a round brush kind of look. But in terms of like the payoff, I don't really see much difference other than the fact that my ends are a little bit curled. So I'm gonna let you decide on this one, which one works for you. All right, moving on to the straightener brushes. So the first is this InStyler glossy ceramic styling brush with precision press. So it just pops out of the box like this. You know, when you like unlock it, it comes out, and then you like scoop your salad. What it's going to be versing is the Jose Eber. So similar. It has the rubber brush bristle things. All right, heats up pretty quickly. So it's at 180.
Okay, this is the normal temperature.
I'm just like holding the ends straight while I like brush down. Ah! Okay, it's pretty hot.
Okay, as you can see, my hair is really knotty because I don't brush my hair.
You can't actually clamp it all the way down, so you'll never be able to really get like Ariana Grande. It just kind of straightens it and makes it look like you have naturally straight hair.
From curly to semi-straight.
So let's give this one a go. See, this one kind of makes more sense to me because it's got this to kind of hold the hair in place, whereas the other one was just kind of like flailing in the wind.
Go in, clip it, and pull it down. Ah, with the clip, I don't have to use my hand.
Okay. Oh my God, my hair is legit steaming. That actually did a pretty bang-on job.
Wow, that is definitely more straighter than this side.
So I wouldn't go too slowly because this thing is pretty hot. When you like clamp it down, it does feel really tight. My hair is being fully pushed through the brush.
So this one, you can pretty much replace as your straightener because it has a clip, you hold on to it, you pull it. If your hair was not knotty like this, it'll come out like, ow.
And I also feel you can put much more hair through this brush. But actually, when you look at the front, the amount of bristles is kind of the same. All right, so those are the two sides.
Look at the difference. This is like what the Jose Eber did, which is more like a natural sort of comb, and then you've got this like straightener comb.
So my verdict is this one seems a little bit lacking, like it's just missing something, only because I feel like I'm just brushing my hair. And then this one I feel like is just a little more intuitive. It feels nicer when you're like running the hair through it, like it's actually straightening.
And definitely an upgraded version.
And it did a pretty darn good job in straightening out all those curls. I like the fact that this, you can see the digital temperature, but this one has 4 heat settings, so it's also pretty awesome.
If I really had to choose between the two, I'll probably go with this upgraded.
So this one's a clear winner for me. I would go with the InStyler. The 5th and final contestant is the Dyson Supersonic. This is the most expensive one out of all the styling tools we have tried. Dyson claims that it will dry the hair in a quicker amount of time. So your hair is less affected by the heat and so it won't be as dry. I've never used it and we're gonna see how it performs against this humble hairdryer that everyone probably has at home. So first of all, it comes in a case of its own. That's not extra at all. This is actually really pretty. Okay, so you open and it like looks like this. Ooh, magnetic. Let's see if it sounds different. Normal hairdryer. Wow. And look at the size. This is so travel friendly compared to this thing. I feel like this is some alien invention. We're gonna try it. Wet the hair a little. The poor man's way of washing your hair. just a fine mist. Okay, so I need to call my friend to help me blow one side and I'll do the other side just so it's fair at the same time. We're gonna both do medium, so it's going to be level 2 on this one, level 2 on that one, and it's both hot. And go!
Don't stop. Oh my God. That was like 54 seconds, if that. I actually stopped too late. I give up. This is what I'm saying. There's no comparison.
Wow! What is this sorcery? Okay, so this is the normal hairdryer, and then this is the Dyson. And it definitely feels wetter on this side, but that's quite amazing. It really does dry it in a quicker amount of time. Wow, Dyson! You stole the show, you stole the... Okay, so I guess for those of you who blow dry their hair a lot, if you have really frizzy hair, if you have really curly hair and you always blow dry it, then maybe this is actually the best investment purchase you will ever get. So those are the 5 hairstyling tools that we tested. First 2 curling, I feel like it was a little bit too different of a curling tool to kind of compare against each other because they did different things and gave different looks. But if I was going to have to choose one, I'd probably go with that automated swirly curling iron. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if there are any other products that you want me to try and verse against each other. If you're curious or interested about in buying, leave it below. It can be anything. It can be beauty, tools, food, whatever it is, leave it below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!